In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Steam error code E20, which is often related to connection problems. Let's dive right in and troubleshoot this issue together. Firstly, what you need to do is exit out of Steam. Make sure to close the application completely. This will ensure that no Steam processes are running in the background when we proceed to the next steps. It's important to have Steam fully shut down to begin this process effectively. Next, we're moving on to the Task Manager. Open your Task Manager by pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus ESC, or you can right click on the taskbar and select Task Manager from the context menu. Once you have Task Manager open, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you're not already comfortable with it. You'll need to look through the list of processes that are running. Specifically, you're on the hunt for any Steam related processes. Now find Steam on that list. Once located, simply right click on it. A menu will pop up, and within that menu you'll see the option to end task. Click on End Task to ensure that Steam is not running at all before we dive into deeper troubleshooting steps. This step is crucial as it guarantees the app is fully closed, freeing up your system from any potential hang-ups caused by processes that might be acting up. With Steam processes out of the way, let's search for the Run program. Head over to your desktop search bar where you can type in Run. Once the Run dialog box appears, you'll want to type in %local app data % and then press enter. This command takes you directly to your local app data folder, which is typically hidden in regular exploration through File Explorer. It's a nifty shortcut to an area where many programs store essential data. Inside the local app data folder, look for the Steam folder. When you spot it, right click on the Steam folder. In the context menu, select Delete. This action won't delete your games or account, but will purge any possibly corrupted temporary files Steam might be harboring, which can sometimes contribute to connection errors and other common issues. Finally, with those files removed, you're ready to relaunch the Steam app. Open it up again, and ideally the error should be resolved and Steam should connect properly without displaying that troublesome E20 error code. By following these steps, you're effectively refreshing the application data that might have been causing the connection problem. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in resolving your Steam connection issues. Stay tuned for more helpful tech guides, and don't hesitate to reach out in the comments if you have any questions or need further assistance.